Hey guys, it's me Malshi again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a Sri Lankan beauty blogger who creates content on makeup and skincare. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get this simple day to night soft glam look, which I've done on our stunning Denathi, aka I Love Candy. So if you guys are interested to see how we achieve this look on her, please do stay with us until the end of the video. So this is Denathi before the whole makeover, and I'm going to start off with moisturizing her face, and for this I'm going to use the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is actually a 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula, so this is going to help to hydrate her skin and also to prep her skin for the whole makeover. And now we're going to move on to the eyes. To prep her eyes for the whole eye makeup, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32. And now to set her eyes, I'm going to use the Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 3. That's the dark shade. Starting off with the eye makeup look, I'm going to use the Natasha Denona Sunset Palette, and I'm going to pick up this burnt orange shade as the base for today's look. So this shade goes towards the outer corner and along the crease of her eyelids. And it's going to be followed up with this beautiful brown, and it will go on to her outer corners as well, adding more depth and dimension to the eye look. And now I'm going to pick up this Huda Beauty Nude Rich Obsessions palette, and I'm going to go with this beautiful peachy copper shade. This will be going through her inner corner all the way to the middle half of her eyelid. You need to blend this really well to make it look seamless. Once you start layering up the shade, you can see how blinding it gets at the end. I'm just going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara today for her eye look. I won't be using any falsies since it's a day to night simple glam look. So just a few coats of mascara would do. For the face, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Coverage Liquid Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. So this is basically an illuminating foundation which gives a very natural and a flawless look to your face. You can use your fingertips, a makeup sponge, or basically a makeup brush to apply the foundation. So I'm using the Sephora foundation brush in number 52 in here. So I'm going to conceal her face, and once again I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32. So I would like to conceal her under eyes to get that fresh eyed look, and bridge of her nose, both sides of the mouth, underneath her lips, the chin area, and also the middle part of the forehead. And I'm going to use a mini beauty wedge to blend that all in. For long lasting makeup and to set everything in place, you definitely need to powder your face. So I'm going to use the Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in the shade 3 from Charlotte Tilbury. So this actually helps to cover up all the fine lines that forms right after applying foundation. And now I'm going to pick up this beautiful medium dark coppery brown shade from the Huda Beauty Rich Obsessions palette for her lower lash line. And for the lower waterline, I'm going to use the Kohl Kajal from Vienna Cosmetics. Now to finish off the whole eye makeup look, I'm going to apply mascara for her lower lashes. I'm using the same mascara I used earlier, the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced Cosmetics. Moving back to the face, I'm going to contour her face now. I'll be using the Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream in the shade Medium for this. So I'll be contouring her cheekbones, her jawline, and also both sides of her forehead. And now I'm going to blend everything together, and for this I'll be using the Morphe M536 brush. Now I'm going to bronze her face with the matte Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. And now I'm going to fix her brows. For this I'll be using the Unbeliever Brow Gel from L'Oreal Cosmetics. I won't be changing the shape of the eyebrows, I'm just going to fill in the gaps. And for the blush, I'm going to use the Sephora Colorful Blush in the shade Heated. This is very pigmented and the shimmer looks so stunning on the cheeks once applied. And for today's highlight, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm going to go with the shade Seashells. And I'm going to highlight her inner corners of the eyes, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, her cheekbones, and also the brow line. And now to lock everything up, I would like to use the MAC Prep and Prime Finishing Spray. And once I do this, I would like to use a mini beauty wedge to dab everything onto her face. Finally, for the lips, I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Candy K. This is actually a beautiful, dusty, peachy warm nude, which dries super fast and which is very buttery on the lips. Since it's a day to night soft glam look, I don't want to go for a bold or a shimmery lip, so I would like to keep it very natural. So guys, this is the final look after this video. I hope you guys loved it and I hope you guys are happy. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and show me some love. I'm hoping to see you guys soon with another fun and an exciting video, of course with a new face. So stay tuned, stay excited. Until then, have a great week, have a great weekend, and yeah, see you soon. Bye.